You know what else the world needs, Will? The world needs these upgraded 7-Eleven stores with the gaming makeover. Holy moly. I am so jealous of this 7-Eleven in Dallas in Texas. Look at that 7, like never mind the gaming setup right here. Look at the 7-Eleven in the background.
Yeah.
It's the nicest looking 7-Eleven.
It's very nice.
I mean, anyway, what they're doing is it's some sort of a promo with Airbnb where they're doing, you get to spend the night at the 7-Eleven to yourself. You and one guest from the same family, by the way, or from the same household. I suppose that's some COVID aspect. And the 7-Eleven is yours. You drink as many Slurpees as you want. You eat as many snacks as you want. And you play as many games as you want because the gaming setup is there as well with this ambient lighting, a nice display, and a PlayStation 5. And you bring your brother, sister, whatever. I don't know. I guess you could bring a parent. It's got to be in the same household. And you have that kind of childhood experience of having a store to yourself. Every snack that you might want. Now, if something caught my attention here. It's in this next photo. Or one more. Right here. Okay, 2 more, 3 more. One more now. This photo. Did you know this was a thing at 7-Eleven you can do? Where you grab your Doritos and then you pour chili right into the bag.
Yeah.
What?
Apparently
You
it's
knew
a
about
thing.
this?
Not for Doritos, but Fritos. It's a thing. You put chili in there and cheese, and you eat it out from the bag.
How do you get it out without making a total mess?
Well, that's where Well, they did it wrong here. You're supposed to cut open the middle of the bag and put everything in there, so it ends up being a bowl.
All right, it's not terrible. It's kind of cool. Well, they did it with Doritos here in this picture, and it's nacho cheese, party-sized Doritos. And it says, grab and open your favorite Doritos flavor and directly add chili, cheese, and other toppings. Enjoy your nachos in a bag treat.
And I guess in this case, it'll be the only time you can go under the cheese thing and put your mouth under.
I don't know if they can improve that. It's COVID times, Will. How dare you suggest such a thing?
Well, how would they know?
Well, they're watching. They got the cameras still going. Hey,
That's
man.
invasive, man.
Anyway, 7-Eleven is going up market, and I love it. Because I like to watch those 7-Eleven videos over in Singapore and Taiwan and everything. And they all have the cool selections of stuff. And it's just, it's if you're a snacker, if you like to snack, and this is the dream come true right here. But it is a contest. It's happening February 26th and 28th. There's 2 dates available. It's a promo. You have to be 18 years or older. And for $11 on Airbnb, you get to spend 1 night in this utopia.
Oh, I noticed that there's a glass over here, too, to divide the seats.
See what I'm saying?
Interesting.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I'm guessing, you also get, by the way, you get to have access to an exclusive 1-hour streaming session on Twitch with FaZe Temper.
Okay. Do you know him?
Are you upset about that?
No,
Hey, man. I would imagine that would be exciting.
Sure.
Founder, owner, FaZe Clan, LA, Boston, Brazil, 1.5 million followers on Twitter.
Okay.
Come on, Will.
All right.
Look at this guy scoping. Go to his Twitter. Go to FaZe Temper. He's a sniper, man. It's unbelievable. You can't play like this.
No.
No, you got to go to his Twitter. It'll be the top one. This guy gets to carry you while you're chilling at 7-Eleven eating snacks.
Okay.
Because you need to be able to take breaks to eat your Doritos.
While he's just crushing everyone.
And he's going to carry you and hold up your squad.
Okay. Well,
when you're playing the COD.
Thanks.
So
Temper.
There you go.